Make a great choice today with the 2015 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, ambient lighting. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.